Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be writing a Python program to check if a domain is available. So make sure you're connected to the internet like this. Then let's run cmd and let's install pip install whois or say pip install python whois like this. So if your pip is not working, just reinstall your Python and make sure you click on add to path. So install pip, install the whois. Now let's save our file. Let's call it shake domain.py. You can use any other code editor or the Python IDE. So I'm going to be using Sublime Text. So firstly we import whois like this. Then the second one we import system. So let's say that let's assign a new variable called dom like this. I'm not talking about JavaScript, we are talking about Python. Dom, let's call it like this. .com. I'm very sure this can be available. Try an eclipse block in a new variable called domain. Domain is equals to is.whois. Then let's pass in our variable dom. Is dom. Then we type if domain dot domain name is if domain dot domain name, this is not a function, is equals to then say that system.exit like this. Then put an except print the domain is available, else print the domain has been purchased. This are we set? So let's run our Python code like this. Domain. Now it says the domain is available. It means that nobody have used the domain. So let's try another one. Let's call it game.com. I know there is a domain called game.com. Now it says the domain has been purchased. Now the code is working fine.